Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got these toys right here and I'm gonna open the ice cream one. See, it's pink and it has the ice cream. Now what is inside it? Let me see because I want to see. And Mom just bought it. It was a magazine. Wait, actually my dad. Let's see what it is. Oh, what's in it? Okay, I'm mostly not allowed a necklace yet. Mom, look, it's a necklace. Wait, it has an L.O.L on it, look. We got it. Purple. I love it. And it's so beautiful. Here, Mom, catch. And now we are gonna do this one because it got the L.O.L on it and it's so beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna. Wait, I know what this is. It's a yo-yo, Mom. I remember having a yo-yo. That was not supposed what we were. Thanks. Let's try that again. Okay. What am I doing exactly? Okay, what? Mom, do you like the necklace I broke it? Huh? Okay. How do you fix it? How can you fix it? Can you help? I meant please. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, guys. I wonder what's in that one. Wait. Okay, it's made of glass. But about that. I'm just tying back on this so I can do it. Thank you, Mom. What am I doing? Can you help me again? Please. Why am I already forgetting? Okay, now okay, wait 1 second. Thanks, Mom. And then we got this with us, and then we got the pretty necklace. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to tell you. And what am I doing now? I'm playing around. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. It has an L.O.L on it. It's a clip. A clip. How do we take this one? Wait, did I? It sticked. Wait, did I or did it? Wait, actually I did broke it. There we go, and now we got a clip. Looks so nice. Now we're gonna do. I can't hear anything inside it. Okay, let's just see what's inside it. You'll know. What's this emoji thing? Ew, it's a mirror. So we got this emoji, you see? And it got a mirror, you see? And we got this L.O.L. And we got this. Great day. I wonder what's inside here. Sorry, this is so... I know what's... Okay, I see what's inside it. And both bits, girls and boys. Ooh, it's coming out. Sorry, take it out. Yeah! So hard. It's a gummy bear. Actually, it's a keychain. Look, do you love it? I got this yo-yo. Can I show you how it works? I had a yo-yo before because I know all about yo-yos. My cousin Millie had the yo-yo. Now we're gonna go up the way now. So we can see. What am I doing? Okay, I didn't thought it was gonna be this long. Okay, why am I so talkative right now? It's like I'm knitting. Okay, but I'm not knitting. And Mom, actually, happy birthday. And boys and girls, actually, it's my mom's birthday tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. And we got L.O.L yo-yo. And then next, we got this clip what I actually broke off of. Mom, can you help me fix that? This clip? Can you help me stick it back on it? And then, please. And then after we got a necklace. What? And then in the heart necklace we got this. You see? Can't really see it through the camera. Can I show you? Look, we got a L.O.L. Wait, can I show you my L.O.L? Well, what is like that? But I lost the headband. Just 1 second. Okay, look, it's this one. Do you like her? She's the same as that one on the picture, you see? So this might be a necklace for her, but no. Sorry. Why am I so worried? And we got this necklace. And we got this little clip. Because we got it. Can we press it? And then next we got this thingy. And next we got this little gummy bear you might have recently. Okay. And then next we got this magazine. What will be for my next channel and my next video. And then next it's gonna be my bracelet channel. Then next, you see I have a collection of squishies. That's gonna be my next channel, and this is gonna be my next video because I love squishies. And I hope you had a good day of this channel. And subscribe to my channel. Bye. I hope you like this channel. Subscribe. Okay, that's the end of my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.